All right, back again. Everything we do at copyandwin.com and all of the trading that we do in my Discord with thousands of winning members, we're short-term traders. That means sometimes our trades only last an hour or two, sometimes several days, but at the end of the day, we're short-term traders. We're looking to get in and get out, make our fractions or several percent, take our profit, and move on to the next trade. And we do that every day with fabulous winning results. You can check out all of our results right on our website. So what are the risks of holding your position overnight? If you're up, in other words, if we entered a trade this morning and now we're winning, well, there are risks in holding that position overnight. And yes, I do understand pattern day trading rules would certainly apply to some of you. But if we've won, why not take the profit? Because there's always that risk, especially this year in 2022, that something will happen, some news event, and the market will go opposite of the direction we want it to by the very next morning. That's called gapping up or gapping down at the market open. So what I always preach to my traders, my members, thousands of us, we put in our trailing stops, but we always consider at the end of the day, do we want to hold that trade overnight or do we want to just make our money and get ready to make some more money the next day? Think long and hard about the risks of holding a position overnight, especially if you're just barely profitable. If you're in a big profit, probably a lot safer. If you've got a small profit, why not just bank the money, take it off the table, reduce your risk, and get ready to trade with us again tomorrow. We find winning trades every day at copyandwin.com. And when you join us, you will too. Love you.